Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV Q80A. In this video I'll show you how to install and set up Xbox app. In the beginning, make sure that your TV has newest and latest software. You can check it by going to Settings, Support, and the software is located on the right side. Now, if you want to install Xbox app, go to Menu, enter Apps, and search for Xbox. Now select it, install, now the app is installed. Let me just add it to home screen. And now we can enter the app. Let's begin setting our Xbox app. Now select Sign In. Scan the QR code. You'll go to website where you'll have to enter the code. Now sign in. And as you can see, TV automatically signed in to the Xbox app account. Now you have to pair a controller. Select Pair a controller. Select your controller you've got, for example Xbox or PlayStation. Select Pair with TV. Go to Controllers. Select your controller, pair and connect. Allow. And now when controller is connected, tap close. Press any button on the controller to activate it. Select Let's Play. And it's done. Now you can play any game you want using cloud gaming. In order to have best experience from cloud gaming, make sure that your connection is at least 30 megabytes per second. We can enter any game. Of course, make sure that you've got Game Pass bought. As you can see, everything's working just fine, and that's how you play, set up and install Xbox app to your Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.